Hey guys, how's it going? How to write a blog post faster with Jasper AI. First of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and then what you're gonna do, download the Jasper AI, Writer AI, and Chatbot. And after you download it, make sure that you update it to the latest version. Go ahead and open it up, right? And of course, you're gonna log in with your account, and as you can see right here, you're gonna see the interface. And of course, you're gonna see the templates, general writing request, storyteller, essay writing, email generator, grammar and spelling check, and many more templates, right? So in my case, I'm gonna type a general writing. Okay, go ahead right here, and I'm gonna type my request. Write a blog about cooking, and you're gonna see the style right here, right? You can choose to make it for professional, formal, casual, funny, or assertive. Let's say assertive, right? And translate into English or any other language. Let's say, for example, Arabic, right? And then you're gonna be able to see the results from here. You can just hit write, and then you're gonna be able right here to see this is the final result, right? As you can see right here, you're gonna see the whole result, right? You could apply this to any subject of your choice, whether that was script writing, caption for Instagram or social media, basically, or any other platform. So you could go ahead and hit generate, and of course you can hit right here, right, and of course you can start their free trial, right? And you're gonna be able to get all the best writing assistant, all template in bond tones to pick. As we showed you, it was an example, this one that I just wrote. So you can go ahead and select your topic and translate into your language, and at your own free time you can start your free trial with Jasper AI to get their finest features. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.